friends, good evening. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And in today's video, we are just moving on to a very good, important machine language. Right now, it is very famous machine language, nothing but your Python. So today's video is about how to write specific values in particular function or your own user-defined function. So how to write that we are going to learn in this videos. And before starting the video, I just want to ask you that please share, like, subscribe my channel. And friends, if any person is watching for the first time my channel, just please hit the subscribe button. And there is a bell icon also. If you are going to press the bell icon, what will happen? Just simple, you will not miss my updates. Okay friends, so I hope that you all are going to give me you all are going to give comments in the comment section, and they are just going to boost us a lot. So please give a share, like, subscribe my channel, and if you find this video is interesting, just share it with your friends. Okay friends, now I'll not make much delay. I'll just start my class now. So here in this, I already written a code for this, and I have a Jupyter notebook. I just opened one new Jupyter notebook, and I just given the name is how to filter a column for specific values. So I just want to know that how you are going to filter for specific values. So to show this one, I just need some files over here, and here I written this one in the code itself. I just written this because I just want to show you that how you are going to create a data frame, and in that data frame, if you want to give more than 3 parameter values, so for all these things, how we are going to filter by using Python, that we are going to listen up. So before starting this, I just imported some things, that is GSpread I imported, and nothing but I think you all know that from Google Sheets also we can just simply import that into our account. Okay friends, and so here I just imported GSpread into my Python file, and OAuth2client.service account is I imported as service account credentials, and pprint I imported, and I changed it pandas as PD. So these are the words which I used in my program now. So from where I just given the second line, I just given from where I got all these things. So this is the links I given, and this is the path of the address I given, and here my Excel file. So I am asking the client to open this, and the file name is Money Invested for Harita, my Excel file name, this one. Okay, so here it is nothing but my invested plan Excel file. So I just given here very clearly that from where I just invested, and I just want all the data to be in. I just want to keep all my data, my Excel sheet data in initial invested amount data, and I want to show this in the form of a data frame. My data frame name is initial invested amount data frame, and here df.d types is nothing but data types. I just want to know what are the different data types here. So I just converted my data types also. Okay friends, I'm going to execute each and every file now. So I just press Ctrl Enter, and here it is showing that Python is executing. So our Python is asking us, please wait, let me just execute. So we'll just give time for the Python to execute this cell, and if Python runs, our Python is ready for execution after completion of that, and we are ready to see how to filter a column using different specific values. Our Python is still working, so that is the reason it will show here kernel is busy. Otherwise, how can you know that the kernel is completed? See, it is showing a hollow circle. Okay, so I have to do all these things. For each and every cell, I'm just pressing here. So this is the file I stored in initial invested amount df, and here you can see the data types. What are the different data types? So this is object, and this is nothing but float. Float is nothing but your numbers, right? So here it is, this cell is explaining about the current amount. So till the last week it is there, I didn't updated it, I'll update now. And here it is and now I'm asking, I just want to draw it in the form of a line graph. So for that I just asked. Okay friends, now coming to our main part. So here I just want to create this, and how to write this statement. To write this statement, these are the steps I have. So first, from which data frame? So here my data frame name is current underscore amount underscore df, and then I have to say that what column you just want. From this, what column you just want. So I just want the column name is investment type. So that's what I just written. And then what are the parameter values you want me to include in this stock underscore df. So my parameter values are Reliance, ITC and Asian Paints. And then what is my step 4? I should join is in along with the parenthesis and then square brackets. So inside the square brackets we have 3 parameters. And then what I am doing, I am just assigning this total entire thing, my column name, my is-in function, and with 3 different parameters. I just want to assign each and everything into current underscore amount underscore data frame, because this whole thing is there. See, where is this current underscore amount underscore data frame is having this column. So from this column I just want Reliance, Asian Paints and ITC, right friends? So for that reason I'm just taking this current underscore amount data frame. From that data frame I want this column name, and from that I want this 3 parameters itself. I don't want all the parameters, because here you have 10 different parameters, 150 rows and 3 columns are there. So I don't want all these 150 rows. I just want only these 3 things. Okay, and then what is my next step? I just keep each and everything in the square brackets. That's what I've done here. Okay, and then what is the next step is explaining here. And after completion of this, just keep, again I should write the file name dot with the help of dot LOC. So current amount data frame dot LOC, and then again square brackets open, and then my which data frame I want, from which data frame I just took this, and from that data frame I have to select the column name, and from that I have to use is-in function, and for that is-in function I am using more than 1 parameter. That is the reason square brackets will come. Otherwise within the parenthesis only you can use if you are using single data type, but you are using here more than 1 parameter, so that is the reason I just use square brackets also. And then I have to assign each and everything to my stock underscore data frame. And after this one is explaining that and after completion of this execution, just it will show the line graph which is going to be created by our Python. So in my Python I just explained that how to draw a line graph, stock underscore df I want, and then in the x-axis what I want, date I want, based on the date, and in y-axis what I want, I just want only amount, and color is investment type. Based on the investment type means what, these are the investment type parameters. Based on this my color is going to change, and I just given name of this graph because we have to draw so many things, so we know the titles also. And for this traces, if I keep like this, you are able to see a rectangular one. It is showing which date, what is the investment type, and what is the amount you are getting. So to get these things, I just used update underscore traces, and figure dot show is nothing but you are asking Python to show the line graph, and Python draw the graph like this. Okay friends, so this is what you are going to do if you want to filter a column based on particular values. You have to follow the 7 steps, and the 8th step is nothing but just you have to assign each and everything in the whatever the data frame you are creating, and that data frame you can keep. I hope you all understand this video. So please share, like, subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening. If you find this is interesting and if you find this video is helpful, just please share it with your friends. Thank you friends.